last up is Dumbeaux out of run number 80. Dumbeaux, come on baby. Hi girl. What do you think of Tom? Hi girly. I don't like your name, but that's the name you came in with, unfortunately. You fancied it up a little bit though. Hi girl. I don't have any cookies to give you. It really sucks. What do you think of Tom? Hi. Hi, sweetie. Oh, okay. Okay. I think she'll be alright. Tom's just going around, just grooming himself, like, yeah, alright. Oh, she's licking her chops.
He's licking your lips for her.
Yeah. Like, kitty snack. She's smacking her teeth. I don't know what it means. What does it mean, licking the lips? That's insecurity usually, but this is like, taste, it smells good. This is kitty cake? Kitty cake. Let's see what she does, because she's trying to circle Tom. Tom doesn't like it. He's all low and down. Ah, there we go. No, it's okay. Let it do. Tom is used to barking, trust me.
Yeah, lots of dogs.
Yeah. This is why he's so perfect for the job. What do you do, Dumbeaux? If you can hold her, I'll open the cage and see if he willingly wants to come out. I'm not going to force him. What do you think? Huh? Just stick your head in. See what you do. She's insecure. That's what the smacking is. Tower's keeping his eye on her though. Easy, Dumbeaux. Good girl. Good girl. You be nice to the kitty. I think she's curious about what it is and wants to play. She's not snapping and her tail is relaxed. Tom, you want to come out? Shh. Let me see. Don't barking at the kitty. TomTom. He's like, yeah, give me a minute more. I think she'll play chase.
Yeah, I think so too.
Tom. TomTom. He's like, I hear you, but I'm not doing it. Come here, Tom. No, he's rolling away. He's rolling over. It's okay. He's just getting more and more excited. But I don't see any aggression in it.
No, I don't either.
Is she snapping? She's trying to lick it. No, okay, yeah. Well, probably not the best fit for a kitty. I wouldn't put her with my kitties. Not because she's aggressive, because she's just wants to play chase and make a great squeaky toy, don't they?